Welcome to our video on how to become a logo designer and earn money if you're a creative person with a passion for design. Step 1. Build your design skills. The first step to becoming a successful logo designer is to build your design skills. Start by taking online courses or enrolling in a design program to learn the basics of graphic design. Practice using design tools such as Adobe Illustrator. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Once you have some basic design skills, it's time to start building your portfolio. Create a collection of logos that you've designed, showcasing your range and style as a designer. Step 3. Build your brand. To become a successful logo designer, you need to build your brand. This means creating a brand identity that represents you as a designer and sets you apart from other designers in the industry. Step 4. Networking. Networking is crucial for building a successful career as a logo designer. Attend design events and conferences, join online design communities, and reach out to other designers to build your network. Step 5. Market your services. Once you've built your skills, portfolio, brand, and network, it's time to start marketing your services. Use social media, your website, and other online platforms to promote your work and showcase your skills. Conclusion: becoming a logo designer and earning money is a fulfilling and rewarding career path for those who have a passion for design. By following these steps, you can build your skills, portfolio, brand, and network, and start marketing your services to potential clients. Stay connected for more videos. Like and subscribe.